Ever wondered if a simple pair of glasses could instantly fix your vision at every distance? That's exactly the promise being made by Vision Pro glasses, which are currently being promoted online as premium, multifocal glasses that supposedly deliver clear vision whether you're reading up close, using a phone, or looking at objects far away. At first glance, the idea sounds impressive, especially for people who struggle with switching between different glasses. However, when you look a little deeper into how these glasses are marketed, some of the claims start to raise questions. The product is often described as a one-size-fits-all solution for vision correction, but in reality, proper multifocal or progressive lenses usually require precise prescription measurements, like pupillary distance and lens alignment, to match each individual's eyes. Another thing that stands out is the branding often used in the advertisements, such as names like Crystal View, which appear to have little verifiable information behind them. The marketing pages also highlight thousands of glowing 5-star reviews, yet many of them are difficult to independently verify, which makes it harder to determine how genuine they are. You may also notice strong promotional tactics like buy one get one deals or limited time countdown offers designed to push quick purchasing decisions. Interestingly, very similar adjustable focus glasses can be found from generic manufacturers through wholesale marketplaces at extremely low prices, sometimes just a few dollars per unit, which raises questions about the large markups seen on many retail websites. Because of this, the claims of instant, universal vision correction may not be as straightforward as the advertisements suggest. So, before deciding whether Vision Pro glasses are worth trying, it's important to carefully consider how vision correction actually works and compare the marketing promises of what these types of products can realistically deliver.